Hello everyone, and I welcome all of you to Online Study for You, one-step solution for all your placement needs. Friends, today I am going to talk about the digital marketing and 124 free courses provided by Google. For few of the courses, even certificate is also included. So friends, if you are a job seeker, if you are unable to get a job in a MNC, if you are a fresher and trying to get a job in MNC, so friends, this Google certificates and the free courses will play a vital role. So friends, Google is a top MNC, and friends, Google certificates and the courses will have lot of values. So friends, once you complete the courses, you can mention the courses in your resume, and during your interview you can carry these certificates. It will definitely give you a lot of value and your chances of selection will be very high. So friends, we have around 125 courses. We cannot go through all these courses, so at the end of this session I will be telling you which all courses are more suitable for you, which all courses are adding more value into your resume, or the certificates which will add more value. So friends, the link will be given in the description. So friends, if you have not subscribed our channel, then please do subscribe and click on the bell icon, because any update regarding the job or regarding the free courses you will be able to get from our fastest YouTube channel, Online Study for You. So friends, this is the link which will be given in the description. Okay, now, so friends, if you click on this link, it will take you to this page. Now friends, so here you have to register or sign in. Friends, if you have a Google account, then you can just click on sign in. So friends, it will sign in through your Google account, right? Sign in with Google. So you should have a Google account, then it will automatically take the data from there. Okay, now friends, it is asking for the details. Let's get started. So you give your name. So my name is Pratik, and then Kumar. Okay, email preferences. So friends, if you want to receive the email, then you can click on yes please, or no thanks, no thanks, no thanks. Okay, by signing I agree to the Google terms of services. Now friends, so you will be able to complete your registration part. So you do not need to create a login credentials. You can log in directly via your Google account. Right now friends, so you can see there are total 125 courses are there, and all these courses are available free for you. Now friends, Google courses contains lot of values. Now friends, so here you can see on the left side you have the filters. So all categories. So friends, you have data and tech, digital marketing, and career development. So friends, if you go to data and tech, then you have 46 courses. If you go to digital marketing, then you have 26 courses. If you go to career development, you have 53 courses. So you can select accordingly, you can filter accordingly. Then friends, course length. So under 2 hours. So how many courses you have under 2 hours? So 23 courses, 2 to 10 hours. So friends, you can filter according to the courses length. Then friends, you can certification. So for which of the courses free certificates are available, for which of the courses paid certificates are available. Okay, now friends, course difficulty. So okay, so let us come to the filter on the left side. Okay, now friends, course difficulty. So beginner. So if you are a beginner, if you are a fresher, then I will advise you to go through the beginner level. Then friends, intermediate level, and then friends, advanced level. So you can select accordingly. Okay, so these are the filters. Okay, and then friends, course provider. So course provided by the Google and by the other platform. Now friends, so what are the certificates available here? So friends, you can see fundamental of digital marketing. So friends, I will suggest each and everyone to go through this fundamental of digital marketing. It includes the free certifications also. So friends, this courses is going to be very useful. So once you do the course, okay friends, and once you are able to get the certificate, then friends, you can apply for all the jobs of digital marketing, because you are getting the certificate from Google itself. So any jobs from the digital marketing you will be able to apply. It's certified in the fundamental of digital marketing. So friends, I tried searching the jobs in digital marketing. So friends, you can see how many jobs are available for digital marketing. So this many plus 100 plus more jobs. Now friends, I just wanted to tell you about digital marketing. So digital marketing means you are taking your business online. Okay, so if somebody wants to take his her business online, then friends, he should and must need digital marketing. So friends, nowadays digital marketing is the trending technology because everyone needs digital marketing. And friends, from the COVID point of view, if you will see, then everything is moving into the online markets, right? Everything is moving online. So all the business, all the enterprises, friends, everything is moving digitally. So digital marketing will be playing an important role to grow the business, because digital marketing means nothing but you are going to sell all your products online. So you are going to advertise. So friends, whenever you open Facebook, we get lot of advertisement. Okay, whenever we search, okay, so whenever we search on Google, so friends, if you'll see, if you'll search on Google using some keywords, so that is nothing but digital marketing will come over there. So friends, I will suggest everyone to go through this digital marketing course, get the certificate and apply for all jobs which needs digital marketing. So friends, there are many other courses are there which we will talk about. So friends, you can start the course from here. So this is a 40 hours course, and friends, these courses you can watch according to your convenient of time. So once you start the courses, friends, so hours is 40, level is beginner. Okay friends, it is completely free. 26 modules are there. Okay, so friends, try to get these certificates and then you will be able to apply for all the jobs. Now friends, so if I will go back and if I will see, so we have total 125 courses are there. And friends, once you complete the course, then you will be getting this kind of certificate. So Google Digital Garage, so this kind of certificates you will be getting it, which will help you to apply for the jobs. Now friends, I'll be talking about the important courses which you should and must go, and I will tell you also how to filter that courses. Okay, so friends, here I have the list. So friends, fundamentals of digital marketing. So friends, these courses I have suggested, I have advised to everyone for getting a job. It is very important. Then friends, programming for everybody. So getting started with Python. So friends, this is very important. Python courses are very important, friends, as I am saying from the beginning. So friends, once you put in the resume that if you have a knowledge of Python, you know the basics of Python, then friends, it will definitely, your chances of getting selected will definitely increase by 10 folds. So friends, 7 modules, 12 hours. Then friends, Google Ad Search. So friends, this is nothing but your digital marketing again. So friends, this is also very important. So once you are completing the fundamentals of digital marketing, you can also complete Google Ad Search. So these are the courses, because many times students will be asking, sir, which course we should start first? So that is the reason, friends, this time I have come up with the courses which are very important for you. Okay, now friends, the next slide, land your next job. So friends, how to land into your next job? So that course, that is just 1 hour course, you can complete it easily. How to increase productivity at work? So friends, this is again 1 hour courses. Understanding the basics of machine learning. Friends, your trending technology is machine learning, so definitely you should have a proper basic understanding of machine learning. Then friends, speaking in public. So friends, when you are speaking in public, when you are talking, then what all things you need to take care. This is just 1 hour of the course. The next course is, friends, English for career development. Friends, this is very important. Okay, so your communication and the English should be very much proper. Your communication part has to play a very important role even in the interview as well. So friends, I will suggest everyone to go through this course mandatorily. Friends, modules 8 and hours 22. Then friends, SQL. So SQL is very important. 20 hours courses are there. So friends, these are the 9 courses which I have filtered out is very important. So friends, once you complete these courses, then you can ask us. We will be giving you some more courses which are very important, because completing 124 courses are not possible, and it is not advisable also, because nobody can have a very good the clarity on all the courses. So this many courses you can start with now, and friends, other courses definitely I'll be helping you out. Now, how to filter the courses that I will be telling you. So friends, again you can click on the link over here, and then friends you can see data and tech. So data and tech, friends, so understand the basics of machine learning. So you just do Control F and then machine learning. Okay, so you'll be able to get machine learning. Friends, suppose if you are interested in Android development, so friends, Android developer, junior web developer, so friends, it totally depends upon your interest as well. So if somebody is very much interested in Android development, then you can go for this course. Friends, you can see hours 6:30. You can go for junior web developer course. You can go for developing Android apps with Kotlin. So friends, you have the different kind of courses are there. So it totally depends upon your interest as well. Now friends, so this will have all tech things. Okay, now, so I will go up, and then friends, again we will filter for the career development. Okay, now friends, you can filter for career development. So you can see build confidence with self promotion, land your next job. So this is what I was talking about. Now Control F, and then you can search for English. So friends, English is very, very important. Like this, friends, you can filter out and you can watch that particular videos. Friends, I know you still will have many more confusion. Friends, I have tried to answer all your confusion. Friends, till when this free courses will be available, that timing we we do not have. So you can start these courses, because Google courses are very, very the valuable. So at least friends, you can start with the digital learning course. Even friends, you can go for the webinars. So webinars is nothing but the web seminars. So friends, the web seminars will be the live training. So friends, this is also free live training. So friends, whatever courses I talked about, like 125 courses, so that courses you can complete according to your time and convenient. Okay, so friends, whenever you feel you can complete it, whenever you feel you can watch it. But friends, this webinars, that means web seminars, is nothing but the live classes. So friends, if you register here, then you can see the proper timing will be there. So you have to join at that particular time. So friends, 1st of June 2020, 10 a.m. to 11 a.m. So there friends, the timing will be fixed. The only advantage which you will get here is, friends, this will be the live session. So in live session, friends, definitely you will learn more. Okay, so you can, if you have any questions, so you can ask your questions also. So friends, this will be definitely a great learning and which will benefit you more. So friends, you can check out the webinars also, so which are courses are there and which are courses fits for you. Thank you friends. So if you have still not subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe and click on bell icon. So friends, whenever we update anything regarding the job and the free courses, it will come to your inbox. Thank you friends.